Just today, I got 5 referrals from Instagram, which was interesting. So imagine if I multiplied those views by 1,000, right? The conversion would increase drastically. So my goal is by the end of this year, I want to reach at least 5K per month from this app. Today, I want to talk about this post that I did a week or so back. Oh, 3 weeks back. So basically, I had an app, a journaling app, that was the unique feature of that was to practice gratitude, write and note things down that you're grateful for. I created that app a while back. I think it's been more than a year. I thought I'll go back to it. So, and this time I'll work on the distribution, not the app code. So I really didn't touch the app code for a while. And as I said, I'll work on the redesign and rebrand of the site, the SEO part, organic reach through Insta, YouTube, Reddit, whatever. And I'll then play through with the app code, premium screens, and trials. So my goal is to get my first paid user organically, but I don't know, so this is going to be a recap of what I did. So after that, I basically rebranded my website. I made it very simpler and added a little cute and made this very intuitive thing and very easy to read with a CT of directly the Play Store thing, the App Store thing, right? But right now, I'm not focused on how many users click this. I am basically adding blogs like these daily, almost daily, affirmation quotes, a lot of backlinks. Something might be broken here. Not sure what. I'll have to fix that up. I'll ask Claude to fix this up. I'm not very restrictive about it. I don't mind it directly pushing to the main because there's nothing to lose right here, and I don't want to waste time. So I didn't know this was happening. I just checked it this afternoon and everything was working. So I guess that is kind of a part of my workflow as well. So I have these blogs. I have a lot of pages. I think 40 plus pages. I'm working on the programmatic SEO. You'll see there is a drastic increase from this month from 34 impressions initially on averaging around 34. It directly went to 104 impressions. So it's increasing slowly but surely, and based on what queries that I get higher impressions on, I plan to increase the number of pages related to them. My pages have also started indexing a lot more, so they are slowly indexing more and more. I also have this blog dot. This is a subdomain that I've hosted the blogs on to get more focused attention on this. So yeah, we have different kinds of prompts, affirmations, and a lot of things. And yeah, there are issues like these. Again, I'm finding some bugs, obviously. So because I've created a system where this pages, I don't have to look at them. These are completely AI generated, and daily I have a cron job setup that create these pages using Claude and GPT. The images are generated completely using GPT, and the blog and the content is written by Claude. And this happens every single day. Okay, so that was one part of the thing that I'm working on the website SEO. Creating SEO pages. PSA is basically programmatic SEO pages, right? Yeah, that's one thing. If like basically you can see the sitemap, I have a lot of pages, prompts, couples, overthinkers. So to get a hit on a query that is being searched, that's why these pages are being created. I regularly create these pages, so it will take time, but this will improve and increase my domain rating, my position on the Google search, and yeah, it'll start getting more impressions later, right? The next thing that I did was Instagram. Basically, I created my page for Grateful. It has now 41 followers, and so I've created a pipeline to post these content every day, constantly tweaking things because it's not really, you'll see that this is a new format that I'm trying. Before that, it was like this, before that was this. And these posts are like a year or two back. And I don't have any kind of manual intervention in from the posting to creating content, nothing. I want to create a repeatable system. That's why all my logic building is right here. Like I use Claude. I have set up uh, launch jobs on my Mac, which basically use my CMux browser to post these content daily. I'm improving on the systems for the content. I'm daily researching something new every single day. Today, what I did was, I'll show you guys. So what this is basically I asked Claude to give me a couple of profiles that are likely to follow me back if I interact with them. Like if I follow them or I interact with their comment or something, I asked it to give those kind of accounts to me. And today I acted on this and it really helped because I think I got 5 or 6 new followers from this particular action. So this was something new that I tried today. And I'll do this for the next, like for this week, and see if I can replicate this daily. And I'm not uh, doing this like I'm not trying to do it for 100 accounts or anything, just 10-15 accounts, that's all, per day, and it will probably start to pile up. If you see, I basically commented on their I asked a lot to comment on their post, like their profile, and you'll see I started getting followers. And again, the second thing I did was, based on the analysis from the formats that I've already posted. So based on that, I finalized on these 4 formats. Okay. And these are action item, like let's this reel says to comment. The this reel is more about writing action, and this is basically writing again. Save this. So basically, it's an action to save this reel. Like it's something similar to basically what I wanted to do was, after a research, we concluded that it should, every reel that I post, and first of all, we fixed on a reel format. I'm not going to post any more static images, carousel images or anything. We fixed on this. Then I'll be posting them daily. We actually concluded that action reels, like a reel that is prompting the users some kind of action, is getting more interaction from the user, whether it be saving or visiting my profile, doing comments or anything. So that is one thing that we noticed. So we are finalizing these 4 formats for now. And the second thing I did was, I want to try this. This is again an experiment, to create these thumbnails over the video. So right now, if I show you my Instagram, right now these are the thumbnails. Okay, the reel itself, the first clip of it, I've created it as a thumbnail, right? But instead of this, what I want to do is have thumbnails like these. So I feel like this might be more attractive and might give me more traction on the explore page and my more user clicks. But this is something that I've just ideated right now, and the images are generated by GPT. So the pipeline will change a little, and the current pipeline is basically I have 2 launch jobs. Bi-weekly, I create content for, like, I just created these. So what will happen is, like, let's say today it will generate 2 weeks worth of posts and thumbnails, and every single day it will start posting these. And after 2 weeks, like bi-weekly, right? So after 2 weeks it will generate all the content again for the next 2 weeks, and so on and so forth. That's the plan, and it's still an experiment. If in between I see some pattern emerging, I'll again rewrite the entire thing. But yeah, that's something that I have landed on. And if you notice, what I noticed was, like, I have started to cross, like initially it was just 19 views and 38, then 124, 89, 42, 45, then again so right now I'm averaging 100 views, actually more like 80 to 100 views. So this is growing slowly. My aim is to get to 1K views on Reel. As soon as that cracks, it will help me to get a format that works, and I can make 10 varieties of that and constantly increase that views to average 1K, and then increase that to 5K, 10K views per Reel. That's the goal that I want to solve using this page. So yeah, that's all of the stuff that I did to increase things organically. On Reddit, I've started to be active. I'm just following some pages that I feel like might be relevant, that I can share my relatable content on it. But I'm not really active on it, and I'm still I think I was just active for the last 2 3 days on it, so it's something that I'm starting to do. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on what happens there. Then finally, I the coder inside me could not stop not touching the code, so I did pick up app redesign, and where we landed was somewhere here. So basically, our initial UI was something like this, which is really terrible, and it was the first direct creation of I think it was Claude Opus 4.5 at that point. Was it Sonnet? I'm not sure, but yeah, this was the first iteration, and this, which is the current live version on App Store, is the second variant that I created. It's a huge improvement on the first one, obviously, but still not good enough. So the current UI that I redesigned is this, and it's still not finalized because, as I said, I just sat on this one day. So this is the current one, but yeah, this needs a lot of things. Like the font is too small for iOS app, for it to be an iOS app. There are a lot of tiny improvements that I can do to make this better. This is not a primary focus for me right now because I want to gain audience first, right? So I'll come back to the app code when I'm sure that I can bring at least 10 downloads or something. Okay. So I did pick up app redesign, but it was not like one of the action items that I had planned. It was just I had free time and I thought might as well. So overall, yeah, this has been, I don't think it's just 1 week. It's been like 2 weeks or something. So far, I don't think I have like a lot of traction that I thought I could have on Instagram. It's slower. So basically, organic reach is slower. That's a tricky problem to deal with and might take time. So I was thinking that I might start on paid ads, but if I want to do that, I'll have to first like publish the app redesign, get that approved, and then I can start with the ads. But I mean, it will have a completely separate plan of action than what I have right now. So I haven't really taken any step towards it. I'm just thinking, should I bring at least 100 downloads or something, like spending $50 per day with a $500 budget over the next 7 days or something. But I'm not sure. Like, if I do take an action on that, I'll probably record that video to show the results, how it worked, what worked, and what did not work. My guess is I can probably bring my first paid user if I go with the paid ads, but I don't know how much I can sustain it. So that's why I don't want to jump into it right now, especially most of it since most of my time is going into my job. Like I work full time in the morning, right? So I don't have a lot of time to work on trial and error. But still, if I still don't see any results, any promising results by the end of this month, then yeah, I might just sit on a weekend, redesign the entire app, publish it, get it shipped, and then start on the arts thing. But I'll record either way. I'll I'll be documenting the whole process of where this takes me. And interestingly, yeah, one thing I missed was the version analytics. This happened recently, so I think the organic reach might be a good thing because right now I just have 100 views, right? Even less in most reels, but I still got 5 visitors today. I mean, at this point, I can't say it's a quality audience, but if they actually interacted with my reel and uh, came to my profile and then clicked on this link, that's a very good number, right? But let's see. This was something, this just happened today. Before this, it wasn't there. As you can see, the rest of the numbers is just 111. And this is a good thing though. Most of my audience, that is visitors that are coming, are from US, which is what I want to target. When even if I do like a paid ads campaign or something, I'll probably target it to a US or main English speaking countries in the US and states in the US. And also, like, I'm publishing it with 10 locales. So I will target it to those 10 countries and states within them, the major ones, and I'll see how it goes. I'll probably post all the things that I mentioned in the video as a LinkedIn post as well. because I think I might start posting on LinkedIn content as well, like videos and clips and all. Planning because I can start it right now, but I don't want to create work quality content. So I'll figure out something using Claude or like a repeatable system such that I can provide a raw clip and it will give me an edited video. I want to finalize that pipeline before I start publishing. Otherwise, it'll just be like old days where I start like for 2 to 3 days I posted consistently, but then I stopped because it was too much work. I don't want to go into that phase at any step of this framework that I'm creating, because once it starts working, it'll give me a repeatable system that I can use for anything that I build in the future. So that's why I don't want it to be just a one-time thing. I want it to be a repeatable framework from the get-go. And also, I'm making sure that I don't spend too much time. If right now it works manually, I'll do it. And that's, I don't want it this kind of thing to be a blocker, right? I'll still do it manually. There might be things at this point that will require too much work to make it as a framework, that are repeatable framework. So yeah, I'm not going to spend time on that. That would be a waste of time at this point. So yeah, that's the way I'm approaching this right now. Yeah, I'm not sure how much time will it take, but it will work out. I know that much. I am gonna make it work out. Yeah, I'll be posting this the updates actively. So yeah, that's it for this, and I'll see you guys next time.